use it, you gonna get it Saturday night?
What is it? The dresser?
Dresser, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is a Chelsea, that's a dresser.
Right.
Might be a mirror with that thing. Yeah, I think it's a good thing. You know, different stuff, you throw that stuff away.
Right.
What it look like? I gotta go to work now, though. I got to go right now.
You got to go to work?
Yeah, I gotta go in here. The man got 15, 12, 13, 14. Transportation van and the whole.
Oh, you a diesel mechanic?
Well, I used to be, but I pulled it out. I kind of got out of it, you know. He got a transportation van, you know, he hauled people with dialysis and.
Oh, yeah, on medical transportation.
Well, he transported everything, you know, that's what he's mostly in right now.
Right.
But he got a wheelchair van down. I got to try to go to fix it right now. Look at that car right where I got the little truck one keep them going in my pocket. So
exactly.
keep them kind of going.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. I'm gonna keep that stuff right there because I want to put on that truck. Yeah, them like.
What, them shells?
Yeah, those shells and stuff. I'm supposed to put them on that truck there so I can put my tools and stuff in there.
Right.
Yeah, so I got a chance to get around to it because they keep me running. And I'm gonna throw it out there to jump that down.
On the wall? Okay.
I knew I got that's a TV right there. I might keep it. Very two though.
In the box? What about all this stuff here, these bags and all that?
This is trash, man.
Okay.
Another folks took over. I went up on somebody else's name. They moved it down on the dumpster right out there.
Oh, is that right?
Mm-hmm. Man, I got some old tools, man. You got to use some of these old style tools. Got the little heads in the junkyard. The people gonna put it on their head and they claim they man, they got rid of the car instead of.
Oh, for real?
Head, yeah. I think I'm gonna need this just now. I'm not too good to put stuff in. Let's do it right now. I want to try to get that thing. I gotta extend it. Or F250 van.
Right.
And the bumper there is gonna make it. That bring it all the way to here. It's still gonna see that. So I got a caterpillar in there.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. What do you think? Get rid of this stuff.
You need to tell me all what you will, everything that you want to go.
It's a lot of pictures and stuff, man. I ain't finna keep that stuff. I got a lot of clothes that I might pick out some of the clothes.
But you say you want to make enough room to come in here. So all these clothes and stuff like you got scattered out, we going?
Yeah.
These bags?
Yeah, I'm gonna probably get rid of all of them. This hand go. Just can go. All this stuff here.
Right.
I don't think I'm gonna do this next.